The NEC unanimously resolved to refer allegations of inter-party activities The NEC unanimously resolved to refer allegations of inter-party activities and removal from office of the now suspended national chairman to the National Convention, which is the highest organ to decide his fate in line with the constitution of this great party. That in view of the actions of the national chairman, Mr. Sowore Omolaye, the publisher of Sahara Reporters, he is hereby suspended as the national chairman of the African Action Congress, AAC, for a period of 6 months. Beginning from 27th March 2019. Again, the Deputy National Chairman Headquarters and the other 8 members of NEC follows say. The NEC also resolved that Mr. Leonard, Dr. Leonard Nzanwa, be and is hereby appointed to be the acting national chairman of this great party.
NEC signed to eventually hold a NEC meeting, which is one of the constitutional requirements of the political party, AAC. Based on the resolution of the two-thirds majority of the NEC and the failure of the chairman and the members of this committee, the chairman, the publisher of Sahara Reporter, Mr. Omoyele Sowore, who has not eventually hit to the tenets of the requirements of the constitution of the party. He has refused to convene meeting or convene NEC meeting, and he has been labeled or alleged in most of his activities, anti-party activities, which was the reason why the NEC now resolved that the acting chairman be elected or appointed to act. AAC, may I at this juncture invite our great leader, the incumbent national secretary of the great party, in the person of Dr. Leonard Nzanwa.
Repeat after me. First, we'll start with oath of allegiance, and thereafter, oath of office.
I, Dr. Leonard Nzanwa,
do solemnly
affirm
that I,
Dr. Leonard Nzanwa,
will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the African Action Congress and the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the
Constitution
of the African Action Congress,
the African Action Congress,
and the Constitution
of the
Federal Republic
of Nigeria.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Do solemnly
affirm that
I will
be faithful
and bear
true
allegiance
allegiance
to the African Action Congress. I will discharge my duties
to
the best of my ability,
knowledge, abilities, faithfully
and in accordance with the Constitution
of
the African Action Congress, and the law, and always in the interest of integrity, solidarity, advancement, well-being, and prosperity of the African Action Congress, and of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will strive to pursue, enhance, and implement the aims and objectives of the party as contained in its constitution and manifesto, that I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official decisions. That in every circumstances, I will do right to all the members and organs of the party, and to all manner of people, according to law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will. That I will not directly or indirectly communicate or review to any person any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as the acting national chairman of the party, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties. And that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of Nigeria. So help me God.
By the grace of God, we shall not fail you. To all NEC members, we thank you for running around to salvage the party, because this mission is a mission indeed to put the back on track. We have just ended the third NEC meeting of the party. We held the second NEC meeting on March 27 after members constitutionally demanded and signed up for the meeting. It was at that meeting that you took the decision to suspend the chairman and 9 others, members of the NEC, for various constitutional infractions for 6 months, pending the decision of the party to hold its national convention. Today, we have ended the NEC meeting. We have taken the decision that has been read out to you today. We believe that we've got it right, and we are on the right trajectory. The Independent National Electoral Commission has been duly communicated as required by law about present status of events in the party. We believe that we have got it right and we are on the right track. The party will work harmoniously with our brothers and sisters in diaspora, but we will not tolerate undue interferences from many of them who acted in clear manner that reminded us of our colonial era, where the master-servant slave lifestyle undignified our brothers and sisters in the colonial days. This is not only unlawful, but also unacceptable. For this is Nigeria. Politics is played in Nigeria. Nigeria is a single constituency. No particular individual can interfere with what is going on here. This is as an ANC. This is a
caution, a warning. Persons outside the AAC shall not determine our future for us. They should keep their money because our laws forbid it. Comrades, colleagues, and countrymen, a new dawn is here.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Thank you.